Okay. Welcome to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. Today, I want to make. See, I've been on this health kick, and it's been coming and going for so long. Believe me, y'all, but I tell you, the struggle is real. I've been on this health kick, and the Lord has been putting it in my spirit to eat healthy, eat better, and this is for especially if you are called and you know you're called in ministry. It's important to be well rounded in your health as well as things of ministry, and then integrity and all that comes with it. So that being said, there are things I have to cut out of my diet. One of the things is so hard, which is coffee. I absolutely adore coffee, and um, I have to stop. I don't know. Tea is a better alternative, so I've been drinking hot tea. But now it's see, I'm around a lot of fast food, and so I tend to eat on it. Okay, so my plans now is to prep my food before I have to go out anywhere, before I work or anything, to not get the urge to eat fast food. So today we're going to be cooking some vegetables. I've got, hold on, let me get them for you. All right. I'm usually prepped before I shoot the video, but I'm not. So we got some broccolini. I should have got broccoli, but yeah, whatever. Brussels sprouts. I bought some carrots. I love carrots. And then protein is going to be fish. This is something it's going to be a regular. I don't know if this piece was like $12. But okay, but we can't put a price on health, right? So we're gonna get it started. And I'm just gonna blanch. I'm gonna roast the veggies. Everything. I'm gonna roast it, and I'm gonna do it all together with the fish. We're just gonna, yeah, that's a, make a one pot, one roast window. Let's get this set up. Perfect. By the way, today is Sunday. It's Church Corner. Thank God. Glory to God. All glory to God. Our sheet pan, which I'm gonna line because it's so much easier to clean afterwards. maybe not. Yay, come on. Aluminum foil. So, let's cut our carrots and then cut our these. I'm just gonna wash them and cut the bottom stems. This is so quick and easy. I'm gonna prep the oven. Put on 400. All together. That's the best way to do it. Then take your rubber band off. And we're just gonna place them on the pan. And veggies are definitely aren't that cheap, but the benefits outweigh the price, because you can't put a price on your health. Now with these, I'm just gonna cut them in half. I love carrots. I'm not gonna use all of them because I need to have some roll to snack on. I have to buy like a gallon of olive oil to keep on because I use it heavily. Alright, we'll say this is enough carrots. Now we're gonna cut the Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna rinse these right in the back, like a mesh bag. And I'm just taking off the tips and I'm cutting them half. medley of broccolini, carrots, and Brussels sprouts. Now the next step. Use a little bit of avocado oil. And basil olive oil. Pink Himalayan salt. And we need some garlic powder. I'm gonna keep it basic. That's all I want on it. And pepper. That's it. How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? Now I'm gonna put when I got salmon. Yeah, it's crazy how much food costs is, but so much healthier. You know, I cannot eat any more fast food to save my life. I don't know about y'all, but have you noticed the quality of food? It's definitely going down. I seen an article the other day. They had so many recalls on shrimp. The shrimp had radioactive. It was radioactive. I'm gonna put the shrimp, salmon right on top of the veggies, so I'm putting it just like that. I've got some Italian seasoning. And paprika. And this is jerk rub. I'm putting it on the salmon. Alright, that's it. I normally would put some butter on this, but since we're doing it healthy, we're just gonna use olive cooking spray. That's it. Alright, so we're gonna put this in the oven and see what it do, huh? Bon appetit. There you go. Finished product.